Look at the roots on this elderberry. They're a real mess. All twisted around. See, this one comes out here, bends back, goes around here, loops underneath and twists around like that. So do not buy potted plants from the end of season clearance sale at nurseries. It is not worthwhile, ever. Oh, wow. That's a chunky root. So I don't want to take off more root than I have to, because it's obviously going to set the plant back quite a bit to have its roots chopped up like this. But it's a mess. So this is braided together almost. Okay, let's try and detangle what's left. See if these can be stretched out a bit. Wow. That's difficult. When I plant it, I'll try and plant it so that these roots are not circling back around. Just bend them as best as I can. I don't want to take off any more root. I'm going to cut this main stem down to about here. So it's now smaller than it was when I got it, but hopefully it will finally grow.